Hello guys, welcome to Index Trader channel. Today we are going to discuss about Nifty analysis for this week, that is 1st June. It is a continuation video of last Sunday. So this week will be what smart money do after GDP data. So we will go through in detail about the analysis and also the supporting data. So one thing we need to note down that GDP numbers was expected around 2.1% growth only, but actually we got 3.1%. So this is a positive news for the market. So market should react positive for this. So that is the reason even on Friday also we can see last minute buying happening at the last 15 minutes. So we'll go through the data one by one. Before going to the setup, we also discuss about the last week levels also, whether it is followed or not. As per the analysis, it is moved or not. So we'll go one by one. We'll move to the analysis right now. So now we'll go through the first setup, that is the moving average setup. So here we can see that EMA 20 was acting as a resistance last Sunday. We saw that, and after that, once closing was given above this EMA 20, we see that after two candles, successive candles, gave a upside in green, closing above EMA 40. So this setup looking a strong positive note here. This setup is giving a bullish signal. So this trend can sustain in the coming days. So that is what looking visible here. So in between one, even though a resistance was seen here, but now a closing of two candles above the EMA 40 confirms as a bullish signal here. Even the indicators also confirming a strong, the RSI is moving towards upside, that also giving a strong upside signal, and the vortex is also giving a upside signal. So overall this setup is giving a upside now. So now we move on to the Fibonacci level. Fibonacci here we can see that this yellow zone, that is 38.2% level, acting as a resistance before, now acting as a support in the last 1 day candle. So definitely this will move towards this level, that is 9971. So approximately 10,000 level can be seen. That is what visible here in this Fibonacci level. So that also gives a strong support. Even the volume is also supporting upside. So there was a continuous three big green candles with volume also, so that will get sustained in the coming days. Now we move on to the price action setup. In this price action we can see that this level acting as a strong resistance. Now the next level will be around 10,025. so that is what visible here. Previously there was a fall here from this level, earlier support level, now resistance. After that we can say, now after that it fall beyond below to this level, and then moving to this level, making it as a resistance right now. Crossing this level will definitely take this to next level here. So that is what visible here. Even before that also there was a corporate tax cut announcement. We can say similar kind of up move here also. Here we can say there was a continuous fall here, there also continuous fall here, and then upside here, there was an upside here. So once breaking this can lead this to next level. That is what visible in this setup. So overall this level is looking a strong resistance, and moving towards this is confirming in this price action. Even the weekly candle is also confirming that a bullishness in the candle close, a big red green close in this last week confirms a bullishness in the market in the coming days. And also the monthly candle we should look for. Two consecutive green candles can lead to a next green candle in the coming days to this level. So that is what visible right now. So now we move on to the next setup, that is the option chain. In the option chain it is a mixed one. Both sides have been written. Call writers are also active and put writers also active, but the call writers is keep getting unwinding at the lower positions, but the put writers keep getting active and shifting to next levels from 9,000 to 9,200, and then 9,400, and then 9,500, gives us a bullish signal. and here we can see that 9600 acting at a strong resistance, and 9700 call writing has been seen, and also 10,000 level. But overall, if we can see that the levels has been keep shifting, even at 10,500 writing can be seen. But overall, even though the call writers are active, they keep getting unwinded since put writers have been active this week. So that is what visible in this option chain. Now we move on to the cash data. Cash data, we can see that for the past 2 days FIIs were net buyers. Even on the 26th also they were net buyers. That also shows a strong bullish signal in the market. Even the DIs are also keep buying. So both of them put together, they are taking the market to higher levels. That is what visible in the cash segment. Now we move on to the futures data. Futures, even though we can see for the past 2 days index future long positions keep getting closed, as well as the short positions. So that also gives a confirmation that FIIs are closing the monthly positions last week. Now they will build fresh long positions in this coming month, so that will give us a confirmation for the further upside. Even for the options position side, they are keeping positions low for hedging, but overall they will build if they are bullish on the market, they keep accumulating, they keep buying index futures. So that can be seen in the coming days. Even the proprietary desks, they keep hedging on futures. So that is the reason the futures was at discount last week. Even from the spot price, there was a difference of 100 points in Nifty in spot price and the future price. So that also confirms they have taken short positions only for hedge. That is the reason it was trading at a discount. So overall the market is bullish in all setups. Now we move on to the intraday setup. I have changed some settings here. This line will be acting as a strong support. Here this 9400 will be a support, this zone will be a support. Only this will be acting as a strong resistance as of now. To next resistance will be at this 10,000 level, that is what here. So the levels are important here. This level, earlier also there was a gap, here also there was a gap. So once breaking this can lead to this level without any further struggle. So that is what looking right now. So overall the trend is positive, the bullish. Even the global is also, sentiments are also positive. So looking at that, we will move on to the next level, that is towards 10,000. It's what visible here. So hope you like this video. Hit subscribe to our channel. Similar kind of videos will keep coming. I will be posting in future also. I am also planning to put educational videos like reading technical analysis and reading charts, doing technical analysis and drawing trend lines, etc. How to analyze the support and resistance, everything. So I will making a series in future. Do support me, and thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Thank you.